Thank you for watching my videos. In this channel, I will record the scenery through my viewfinder in Japan and around the world. This is the first update in about 5 months. I appreciate the many people who have subscribed and commented on my channel, even during the period when I have not posted. I hope to gradually resume my posting frequency, so I'll be very happy if you could come and check it out when you have time. I'll be shooting with a medium format film camera, the Pentax6x7. The film I used was Kodak Gold 200. I took a highway bus to the seaside. I decided to stay the night near the sea and to take pictures during the sunrise the next morning. I was impressed by the large driftwood, so I decided to take my first shot here. It is getting brighter and brighter. Now I turn my camera towards the sea. It's only a few minutes difference, but the sun is rising higher and the scenery around me is changing every minute. There are already many fishermen on the beach. Near the beach, there are many wind turbines. I looked out to the sea again and found that the sea was already tinted with orange. The contrast between the orange sky and the blue sea is impressive. Now I leave the beach and head towards the wind turbines. I would like to take a shot up the sand slope and a little closer to the turbines. From here, I moved to another beach by bus. Because I started shooting early in the morning, I decided to take a break and start shooting a little before dusk. Here you can see the green covered rock face very close to the beach. I will try to take a shot from this angle with the reflection in the foreground. The thin stretch of the wet sand was impressive, so I'd like to try to shoot with the camera a little further down the beach. I will change the film and head farther back. It was a bit windy and the waves are white. The sun was slowly setting and the world was turning orange. The reflection of the wet beach was impressive, so I decided to take a shot. As the composition has been centered on the sea so far, I would like to take a shot including the cliffs by pulling back a little. This time, I shifted my viewpoint a little to the side and looked at the clouds floating on the sea. I decided to focus on the clouds, which were colored by the setting sun, and release the shutter. It's getting darker and darker. For the last shot, I would like to focus on a small piece of driftwood that has washed ashore. The result is a calm image that reminds me of the coming of the night. Thank you again for watching. I will continue to visit places in Japan and around the world and record the scenery through my viewfinder. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.